I didn't need a job, I needed a career, I needed, a valuable marketable skill. And this appealed to me because I got to work with people and I got to give useful information. So, I'm a step in the process to help someone get healthier, to help someone feel better, from an ailment or an injury or a condition. So that's one of the things that really sold me about radiography.
It's turned out to be an absolutely very rewarding thing for me to teach, be able to teach and show students the knowledge that I know, especially being a student coming from this program, this school. It really helps me relate to the students a lot better. This program gave me all of the essential skills and tools to become a certified radiology tech through their didactic work, which is the in-class work. They do a year of that, and at that point they go out and do clinicals, actually on-site. So it's almost like you are actually working in the field.
The way Carrington's program is designed, we spend a year learning the science, and we kind of get a handle on the craft. So we're learning about X-ray, we're learning about X-ray technology, we're learning about how that evolved and how that works, and how knowing that and applying that can make us a better technologist. Then we move into a clinical setting. Now this is where we're able to take that classroom knowledge and then apply it to real life application. And that real life application, very similar to an apprenticeship where we are learning it hands-on. We are going through the actions in a live setting where we go from pretending to take x-rays on each other and taking x-rays of phantoms to now I'm going to have to deal with a real life patient who has a real life problem, and learn my own techniques and learn what works for me to be successful.
I decided that I wanted to have a career, and when I discovered the program here at Carrington, I just kind of fell in love with it. Like I just really wanted to do this, and it's been the best experience, and I'm glad that I did. From when I first started, I was kind of shy, kind of unsure if I would be able to do this program. To now, I have a lot of confidence. I've learned so much as far as the program goes and everything that the program consists of. Just overall, you grow as a person and individual, and you just learn so many new things, meeting new people, those relationships. But also the program in itself, you learn so much and you have so much experience and chances to grow.
The growth that I see from students, the confidence level definitely rises. Professionalism, their ability to think on their feet, problem solve, all of those skills that they're going to be expected out there in their clinical rotation. I think Carrington College overall definitely gives students the skill set, knowledge, experience that they need to become successful in whatever modality that they choose to further their education in.
I'll be successful and I'll be able to, get out in the field, get a job, and start, helping people.